Hey, what's up, subscribers? Welcome to Psychology. What to do if he ignores you? Sometimes things do not go as you wanted, right? If the man who drives you crazy does not stop ignoring you, stay firm and reverse the situation. How? Here I tell you. Here I will tell you 8 things to do if a man you love ignores you. Number 1. Think why you think this man is ignoring you. If you have found this answer, the first thing you should do is to stop acting in the same way as you were doing before, as is possible that way you do not attract him. Number 2, do not expose yourself. It's normal to think that perhaps you need to become more visible for him to be aware of you and does not ignore you anymore. But if your idea is to start dressing super sexy and stroll in front of him showing your figure, since now I tell you not to do this. With this method, he will just notice that you are too desperate or you are an easy girl, and he will just take advantage of you. Number 3, stop chasing him. Maybe you are being too burdensome and he needs some space. If you disappear for a while, he may want to hear from you and stop ignoring you. Number 4, put yourself to his level. He is likely to ignore you because you seem very different from him. If you can hold a conversation with him about something that excites him, then it may be that he sees you with other eyes after and takes you more into account. Number 5, do not feel bad. Do not let this situation make you feel bad and depressed. Do not think that there is something wrong with you or you are insignificant and that's why he ignores you. He may ignore you because he does not know you or because he seeks other types of women. You are worth a lot and he is not the only man on the face of the earth. Number 6, ignore him. There are many guys who think that by ignoring the girl they like, they will have hurt their feet. Do not fall into his trap. Be strong and show that you are not an immature fool who is going to fall into his games. Number 7, face him. I do not know how your situation may be, but if you share hours of work or study and it seems that when you arrive automatically he looks away or disappears, do not hesitate to approach and strike up a conversation with him. Perhaps you will discover that he ignores you because he is shy and does not know how to approach you. Number 8, stay away if necessary. If he ignores you after a date, then it's a time to look away and go on your way. Do not beg attention to whom does not deserve you. Go ahead. You will find the ideal man, the one who loves you unconditionally. Do you know any other tips if a guy ignores you? Please share them with us in the comment section. And to learn more about what to do if he ignores you, then click the subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. Become the subscriber of Psychology. That's easy.